Have you ever got yourself a cocktail book and wondered what it would be like to make every single recipe in there? Well, my name is the Rusty Bartender, and we're about to embark on a journey to create all 125 cocktails from this fantastic book, Steve the Bartender's Guide to Cocktails. What's going on, guys? We're up to episode 4 of this series already. Can you believe it? The shelves are already starting to fill up. By the end of this series, these shelves should be pretty full. Today, we are making the Bensonhurst. Let's go make this drink. Full disclosure on this one, this is a cocktail that before reading it in this book, I'd actually never heard of. So I'm really excited to try this one. So today's cocktail has got 4 ingredients. They're all here, as you can see. We're using rye whiskey. We're using dry vermouth. Dolan's recommended in the book, so that's what we're using. We've got Cynar, which is pretty much an artichoke amaro. And we've got Luxardo, I'm going to say this right, maraschino. So it's like a kind of cherry liqueur, but it's very dry. Okay, so we've got our mixing glass, and we're going to go in with 2 ounces of your rye whiskey. I'm using Michter's rye, because that's what my home bar has. Next, we're going to go in with 1 ounce of dry vermouth. We're using Dolan vermouth, which is what the book recommends. 1 ounce of that. Then we're going to go in with 1/3 of an ounce of the Luxardo maraschino liqueur. And the book calls for a 5 ml teaspoon full of the Cynar. So I'm using a bar spoon, so I'm gonna guess. Fill your mixing glass with ice. And give it a quick stir. 15 to 30 seconds. We're going to strain into pre-chilled coupe. There you go, folks. The Bensonhurst. Cheers. Wow, as I've said before, I'd never heard of this cocktail before getting Steve's book. This is definitely my style of cocktail. It's really nice. I thought it would be a lot drier, but there's a bit of sweetness there, and I'm guessing it's coming from the Luxardo maraschino liqueur. That is great. Thanks for joining me, guys. I'll see you in the next one.